Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Amazon wig review for you guys. Yes, Amazon. I know that I was doing this last year, but I kind of stopped, and I want to bring this back for you guys because there's nothing more bomber than you being able to order your wig and it being here or there the following day. Bomb. Because sometimes we don't have 5 business days to wait to get some hair. We need something quick and easy and fast so we can hurry up and slay, like, you know. So Amazon come through for the win, right? So this hair is from Alipearl, and if you want to see how I got my wig this way, because it did not look like this, and excuse my curls, I'm trying to learn how to curl, like you guys already know. And this time I use my flat iron curler that I got from Sally's. Now this is a Baby Bliss titanium. I like her. I just gotta learn how to use her, right? But anyway, like I said, if you want to see how I got my hair like this, and then keep on watching.
Alright, you guys, so this is what the packaging looks like. Of course, it comes in, you know, your traditional Amazon packaging. And this is the box. It comes with your wig, a pamphlet, a satin bag, a wig cap, and an elastic band. So this is a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig. It is 24 inches, I believe 150 density. It is a full lace front, and when I say full lace front, it has a full lace front on this wig. So if you were to purchase this wig, it would be easy for you to interchange the lace fronts. Just cut it off and add a new one on when your lace front gets old. This is pre-plucked, and the lace is a light brown. And yeah, I'm just showing you how thick it is. Like I said, it's about 150 density, and I am going to go right into customizing this wig. All right, so I'm gonna take 30 volume developer with my quick blue, and I'm gonna bleach my knots. I like to focus on the front of the hairline first, just to make sure that that is bleached first, because I feel like that's my main priority. I really don't care about if the back of it gets bleached. I just want the actual hairline to get bleached. So I'm gonna apply it. You want to make sure that you watch your bleach and see how it processes. Everybody wigs will process differently, so I can tell you my bleach stayed on for 15 minutes, but that doesn't mean that your bleach should stay on for 15 minutes. You feel me? So yeah, after I let it process, these are the products that I'm gonna use to wash my hair. I love Proclaim. I started using this recently, and I love how it smells. You know, I'm gonna use my silicone mix to deep condition and my Vanilla No Yellow to tone the brassy knots. So the first thing of business, I'm gonna make sure that the bleach is off of the wig. So I'm just making sure that it's removed, and then I'm gonna go in with my Vanilla No Yellow purple shampoo. And I love this because it works so fast, but you want to make sure that you don't leave it on too long, because if you do, it will turn your knots gray and you don't want that. So I'm gonna just let it stay on there for maybe no more than a minute. I would say about 30 to 40 seconds. Just let it sit on there, and it will tone your hair super fast. And after that, I'm gonna just go in and wash my wig and deep condition with my silicone mix. So after the silicone mix is applied, I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and start customizing the hairline. So this wig was already pre-plucked, but I am going to go in and pluck a little bit more, not too much, because it looked good already, you feel me? So I just went in and plucked it a little bit because I just wanted to diffuse that line of demarcation right there. So I'm gonna just pluck it, comb out the excessive hair, the excessive plucked hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my rapid strips and my mousse and just mold me some baby hairs. Oh, did I mention that you could put this wig up into a ponytail? So I did a little top knot so you guys could see it, and so you can see the hairline as well. So I'm going to apply the mousse only to the beginning of the hairline. I don't like, styling my hair with mousse. It just feels weird to me, and on my fingers, I feel like it weighs the hair down. So I'm only focusing this on the front of the hairline. And after I mold my baby hairs, I'm going to just take my rapid strips and wrap it around the hairline so it can sit and set in place and dry. Because my hair was wet, I did go in and blow dry it. And this is what it looks like after it's dried. So, you know me, I'm going to have to use my handy dandy pressing combs from the stove. I don't use the plug-ins. These are the legit kind, okay? So I'm going to just go ahead and flat iron press out the edges, make sure that they're silky, make sure that they're flat, make sure my part is right and straight and neat and everything like that. And then after I get everything done how I want it to look at the front of the hairline, I am going to go in with my Baby Bliss titanium flat iron curlers, and I'm going to just I'm going to use try very loosely because I'm still learning. I'm going to try to give this wig some curls. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. This hair was actually very, very soft, and I was very, very impressed. I don't know what's up with the wigs that I've been, showing you guys lately, but this one right here, the flyaways, was very, very tamed, and I like that. Even though my curls was trash, they still held in the hair. So yeah, like that's something I liked. The lace was regular, like it was nothing special for me about the lace, but I actually really enjoyed this hair. I think I want to color it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys would like to see a video of me coloring this hair to see how well it takes color and stuff like that. I think that would be a dope video. But yeah, so my wig is applied. I use my Got To Be Free Spray mix, and I'm just taking the combs down. The clips down, and I'm gonna just play with it until it falls the way I want it to fall. I did not cut layers in this because I just did not want layers. I wanted it to stay its true 24-inch length. Okay, so this is what my wig looks like. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And yes, I think this is a bomb Amazon wig. I did get a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because I bleached it. Like I always tell you guys, when you bleach, you weaken the knots. So yes, until next time, bye best friends. Oh, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. All right, bye you guys.